All right, so for the beginning of this project, what you guys need to do is open your image in Photoshop. And the first step that we really need to do to make this a kaleidoscope is to crop it. It needs to be a rectangle. Now, it doesn't need to be a specific size or anything like that, but we're going to use our crop tool to crop out just the section that we want to use. So single click your crop tool and pull down or in from the sides uh, whatever colors or whatever portion of the picture you want to use. Now you can always move your image to fit inside your crop frame if you would like. And you can also nudge the image a little bit by using the up and down arrow keys. Once you get a section of the image that you want, like I'm going to keep this blue and green here, hit the enter key and that locks in your cropped shape. Once you've hit the enter key and you've cropped your image, I want you to single click on your move tool. And then we're going to come over here and unlock our background layer. Now, in order to unlock the background layer, just double click that little padlock. This little window will pop up, and we don't need to rename it. We'll leave it layer 0, and we'll click OK. Okay. Now, once you have done that, our next step is to rotate the image. Now, we're going to rotate it 60 degrees. So to do that, I want you to hit Control T. And up in our format bar up here, you're going to see this little angle symbol. In that box to the right of it, I want you to type 60 degrees and hit enter twice. Okay, so now your picture should look something like this, where it's rotated slightly. And now this is the next step. It's very important. What I want you to do is with your move tool, single click your image and drag it over to the side of your frame. Okay, now it could be the right side or it could be the left side. Okay, either way, one or the other. Okay, now you have to have your picture so it's crossing into the corner and flat along the top. So that's how it's going to look if it's on the right side. Now if you moved it to the left side, it's going to be flip-flopped. You're going to have the picture go through the upper left corner, and you're going to have the flat part go along the bottom right, or the bottom left, excuse me. Okay, I personally like the right-hand side, the way it looks. There's a little bit more color in there. Okay, so once you get it like that, I want you to save your file. So we're going to do a file and save. So we're going to do file, save. We're going to name it with your last name, underscore first name, underscore Kscope. Okay, and I want you to save this to your thumb drive. So you save it into your thumb drive, into your Kaleidoscope folder that we've already made, and then click save. Okay, once you've done that, go ahead and move on to the next tutorial.